I'm finished now. The basic census I got as I pulled each nut off, or most nuts off, and pulled the bolt through, is I'm guessing when it was built, someone just cranked the nut down really tight, squeezing or pinching things together. And I think that's where the majority of the squeak would come from. These, both top and bottom. Where are we looking? These top, both edge ends, I think were too tight, pinching this and pinching the far end. Same with this side. This center bolt, where are we looking on the wheel? I think that was too tight. So I've taken both struts off one end at a time, cleaned the nut, cleaned the bolt, cleaned the nut, sprayed silicone into it, both sides. I couldn't get, from how it was designed, I couldn't get these bolts out. I can't get anything in there, and I don't know where my Allen keys are, can't be asked. So I sprayed the bejeebers out of both sides of silicone, top and bottom strut, pulled the wheel off, as you can see from the time lapse, pulled this out, cleaned it all up, sprayed WD-40 into it, WD-40, the silicone, le silicone, where are we looking? Silicone lubricant, not WD-40, even well, it's WD-40 brand. So I've sprayed it all through there. Now these top little pivot points, I don't think they do anything. Where are we looking? But I didn't feel like pulling it apart, fully dismantled to get down. There is a pivot point in there, so I sprayed some lubrication there. As it's downhill, I'm hoping it'll get there. Good enough. That's for another day if there's still a problem. I'll take it upstairs and I'll have Jane do some steps on it to see if it still squeaks. Well, there you go. It was just a quick little 5-minute job. Fingers crossed that solves it. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Until next time.